This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 61 of building the Ford GT. In this issue, we're going to do the same as we did last time, but on the other side. After looking, of course, at the world of the, what do they call it? The passion for speed. The Ford Torino. Oh, yeah, I know the name. There we go. Read all about that at your leisure. You'll have to pause it unless you can read really, really quickly when I turn the pages over, but I'm sure you can. So there we go. The transmission case part 2. Yeah, we're doing exactly the same on the other side with the other bit that we built up last time. Double check to make sure nothing special happening in there. No, one screw. That's that. That's done. Let's get it done. And there it is. This is the new part. That's what we did last time, and this is what we're going to do like this time. I've saved the screw from before. I won't open the other packet. I shall leave that aside and put it with the spares, all sealed up, nice and easy. So this goes on there exactly the same way the other one did, but the holes are obviously reversed and mirrored, and that screw will go in there just like that, and we'll hold that together. Now I'm pretty sure these are going to go together like so. And that's starting to be very engine-like, but not yet. For now, we're leaving them like that. We've got one more issue to go in this pack. I shall do it momentarily. You'll get to see it in a day or two. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.